So statistics is the science of understanding data and using that data to explain something either in a science or a business application. And often it involves making a prediction for the future. And actuarial science is a closely related field where you focus on financial risk. So it's about helping individuals and businesses and governments figure out how much risk they face, financial risk in particular, and then also helping them figure out ways to manage that risk. And it kind of seems abstract, but it's actually really, really related to your everyday lives. So if you think about the risk of an earthquake and how that would affect your family financially, or how that would affect the province financially, or pandemic risk, or even climate risk, these kinds of things is what actuarial science looks at. Statistics is used in so many different ways in agriculture and zoology and sports analytics. Just a booming field right now, with everybody kind of trying to figure out how to use data better to solve problems.
I want to be an actuary because actuaries are in high demand and it's like one of the best jobs in the world. So SFU actuarial science programs offers like a really big help in pursuing my career as an actuary. And why SFU? Because SFU is one of the 33 educational institutions that is like the Center of Excellence in Actuarial Science, which is recognized by the Society of Actuaries, which means that SFU's program is one of the best. Our department has its own dedicated buddy program. So here we pair upper division students in actuarial science and statistics with new students in their first and second year, and they can really help with that transition. For this department as well, I know that this department is like really small, but it's like it is intimate. So like everyone is very supportive of one another. Like even the classmates, even the professor, they're very eager to help. Not only in the classroom, but also like outside the classroom, maybe in like searching for co-ops and maybe just like life in general.
So one of the highlights of our undergraduate programs in both statistics and actuarial science is a really outstanding co-op program. We have job placements all around Canada, even into the US and Asia, and it's a really great opportunity to learn about what it would actually be like to work in that field.
Currently, I am doing an 8-month co-op with Moody's Analytics as a actuarial software programmer. So this job allows me to use both the actuarial science and the programming skills and knowledge that I have learned from SFU at the same time.
Our students will find employment pretty much anywhere they want, whether that's government or medical institutions for biostatistics type applications, but also just a lot of tech companies that are at the forefront of applying data science. We've placed students all over with the major tech companies. And in actuarial science, it's a lot more direct and clear career paths. So a lot of the students that will do our program will actually become actuaries, but there's also opportunities for other risk managers in the broader financial services sector. The actuarial program at SFU is designated as a Center of Actuarial Excellence by the Society of Actuaries. And this is in part a reflection on the excellence of the research that we do here and the excellence of the teaching, but it's also a function of how integrated our program is with industry and how well we prepare our students for the future.